What's up, guys? I've got a video for you from the polynomial factorization topic on the greatest common factor of monomials. This is a great video to watch ahead of any of the other factoring polynomials videos that I've made or the other tasks that you need to do. Here we have what is the greatest common factor of 54z to the third and 18z and 36z squared. I'm going to use a process called prime factorization, which really means just divide out. If it's even, divide out by 2. If it continues to be even, continue to divide out by 2. Once it's no longer even, see if you can divide out by 3 as many times as you can divide out by 3, and then move on and move on. Fortunately, these are just multiples of 2 and 3 in just clever groupings, like 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 54. The z to the third, the z, and the z squared, just write it out because that's an exponent on a variable. Now we look for what's common. All three of them have a 2 that's a factor, have a couple of 3's that are factors, and they have a z that's a factor. And when you compress that, multiply the 2 times 3 times 3 together with the z at the end, you get 18z. That would be the greatest common factor. There may be some other tricks to this, but I'm trying to share like a consistent message. Feel free to use your tricks and shortcuts as you find them. But before you get too far into it, I'm using just a process that works every single time. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. 4 is 2 times 2. 10 is 2 times 5. They all have a 2 in common. And they all have at least one m, well, only one m in common. So therefore, 2m is the greatest common factor. Share with you the last one, just to make sure you get a chance to see it. Maybe I don't. But the point is that I wanted you to get a chance to see that in this conversation on greatest common factor, think about the biggest number or the biggest group of prime numbers that you can divide everything from that group together. It's a good video to watch ahead of prime factorization and other questions that come along the way. Thanks for watching this video. They're sticking it out to the end. Thanks for doing some math with me. See you in the next video.